Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of faded, worn out trim on your vehicle? Look no further. In today's video, we are diving into the world of trim restoration to bring you the ultimate guide on the best trim restorers available. Say goodbye to dull surfaces and hello to a glossy, like new finish. Stick around as we unveil the top products that will breathe new life into your car's appearance. At the first position of our list, we have Carglass Plastic Restorer. Engineered with user-friendly design in mind, this trim restorer brings back the luster to your car's plastic surfaces effortlessly. With its advanced formula, Carglass Plastic Restorer effectively penetrates deep into the trim, restoring its original shine and color. Say goodbye to dull, faded plastic. This product rejuvenates surfaces, leaving them looking like new. Boosting exceptional effectiveness, Carglass Plastic Restorer delivers long-lasting results that stand the test of time. Its durable formula provides protection against UV rays and environmental contaminants, ensuring your trim stays vibrant for longer. Plus, this premium product offers unbeatable value for money, delivering professional quality results without the hefty price tag. Transform your car's appearance with Carglass Plastic Restorer and experience the difference for yourself. Whether you are a car enthusiast or simply want to restore your vehicle's trim to its former glory, this product is your go-to solution. Upgrade your ride with Carglass Plastic Restorer and enjoy a showroom-worthy finish every time. At number 2, we have Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer, the ultimate solution for restoring black plastic and faded trim pieces. Engineered with a focus on design and functionality, this advanced formula is tailored to bring back the richness and depth of color to your vehicle's surfaces effortlessly. Boasting a myriad of features, Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer penetrates deeply into the plastic, delivering long-lasting results that stand the test of time. Say goodbye to dull, faded trim pieces. This product effectively rejuvenates surfaces, leaving them looking like new. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Its durable formula provides protection against UV rays and environmental contaminants, ensuring your trim stays vibrant for longer. Plus, with its user-friendly application, achieving professional quality results has never been easier. Invest in your car's appearance without breaking the bank. Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer offers unbeatable value for money. Transform your vehicle's trim with this premium product and enjoy a showroom-worthy finish every time. Upgrade your ride with Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer and rediscover the beauty of your car's exterior. Next up at number 3, we have Rejuvenate Outdoor Color Restorer, the ultimate solution for instantly reviving your faded belongings. Designed with convenience and effectiveness in mind, this advanced formula effortlessly restores color to a variety of outdoor materials, including plastic, vinyl, metal, and more. Featuring a powerful blend of ingredients, Rejuvenate Outdoor Color Restorer penetrates deep into surfaces, delivering vibrant and long-lasting results. Say goodbye to weather-worn furniture, faded siding, and dull outdoor decor. This product effectively rejuvenates surfaces, leaving them looking refreshed and vibrant. Experience unparalleled durability with Rejuvenate Outdoor Color Restorer. Its protective formula provides resistance against UV rays, harsh weather conditions, and environmental contaminants, ensuring your outdoor surfaces stays looking like new for longer periods. With its user-friendly application and fast-acting formula, achieving professional quality results has never been easier or more affordable. Plus, Rejuvenate Outdoor Color Restorer offers unbeatable value for money, making it the go-to choice for homeowners looking to enhance the appearance of their outdoor spaces. Revitalize your outdoor surfaces with Rejuvenate Outdoor Color Restorer and enjoy the beauty of a freshly restored exterior. Upgrade your outdoor living experience today. The number 4 position is held by CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit, the ultimate solution for quick and effective plastic trim restoration. Designed with cutting-edge ceramic technology, this kit is engineered to deliver professional-grade results in minutes, giving your car a sleek, factory-fresh look. Experience the power of ceramic protection with CERAKOTE. This innovative formula creates a durable, long-lasting barrier against UV rays, oxidation, and environmental contaminants, ensuring your trim stays vibrant and protected for months on end. Say goodbye to dull, faded trim. CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit rejuvenates surfaces, leaving them looking like new. Its easy-to-use application process makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers alike, saving you time and money on costly restoration services. Enjoy unbeatable durability with CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Unlike traditional trim restorers, this kit provides a permanent solution that won't wash away or degrade over time, giving you peace of mind and lasting results. Upgrade your car's appearance without breaking the bank. CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit offers premium quality at an affordable price. Transform your trim and elevate your ride with CERAKOTE today. The number 5 position is dominated by Turtle Wax 53838 Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer, the ultimate solution for rejuvenating your vehicle's trim. Crafted with cutting-edge graphene acrylic technology, this advanced formula is designed to restore, protect, and enhance the appearance of your trim surfaces with ease. Experience unmatched effectiveness with Turtle Wax 53838. Its unique blend of graphene and acrylic polymers penetrates deep into the trim, delivering long-lasting results that withstands the test of time. Say goodbye to dull, faded trim. This product revitalizes surfaces, leaving them looking glossy and like new. Enjoy exceptional durability with Turtle Wax 53838. Its protective barrier shields against UV rays, oxidation, and environmental contaminants, ensuring your trim stays vibrant and protected for months on end. Plus, with its easy-to-apply design, achieving professional quality results has never been easier. Upgrade your car's appearance without breaking the bank. Turtle Wax 53838 offers premium quality at an affordable price. Transform your trim and elevate your ride with Turtle Wax 53838 Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer today. Next up, number 6, we have Oil Outlast Car Trim and Plastic Cleaner, the ultimate solution for restoring and protecting your vehicle's exterior. Designed with a focus on effectiveness and convenience, this advanced formula effortlessly cleans and rejuvenates trim and plastic surfaces, bringing back their original shine and luster. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Oil Outlast Car Trim and Plastic Cleaner. Its powerful cleaning agents remove dirt, grime, and oxidation, leaving surfaces looking like new. Say goodbye to dull, faded trim. This product restores surfaces, enhancing their appearance and durability. Enjoy long-lasting protection with Oil Outlast Car Trim and Plastic Cleaner. Its innovative formula provides a protective barrier against UV rays, oxidation, and environmental contaminants, ensuring your trim stays vibrant and protected for longer. With its user-friendly design and affordable price, Oil Outlast Car Trim and Plastic Cleaner is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Transform your car's exterior and enjoy a showroom-worthy finish with Oil Outlast Car Trim and Plastic Cleaner today. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer, your go-to solution for restoring the beauty of your car's exterior. Engineered with a focus on design and effectiveness, this advanced formula effortlessly rejuvenates faded trim and plastic surfaces, bringing back the original shine and luster. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer. Its powerful blend of ingredients penetrates deep into surfaces, removing oxidation and restoring color with ease. Say goodbye to dull, weather-worn trim. This product revitalizes surfaces, leaving them looking like new. Enjoy long-lasting protection with Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer. Its durable formula provides a protective barrier against UV rays and environmental contaminants, ensuring your trim stays vibrant and protected for longer periods. With its user-friendly application and affordable price, Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Transform your car's exterior and enjoy a showroom-worthy finish with Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer today. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on the best trim restorers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and product reviews. Transform your car's trim today and drive with pride. See you in the next video.